K.monae, and I'm back with another vlog. And today I'm moving on. Look at this. You know, sad. It's bittersweet. It's bittersweet. It's bittersweet. Yeah, she leaving us. Y'all can't come to my house. That's okay. So right now I'm about to go to the bank. I need to be at my office at 10 o'clock, but of course I have to go to the bank, get some money out, and go get a money order. All this extra stuff. Like, why can't you pay cash? Why can't I pay in cash? But they don't let you pay in cash, so I have to go get a money order. Yeah, remember that bump I had on my face? It like went away, but it's like still there. So don't remind me I look crazy because everything, literally everything is packed up, y'all. So I had to throw my little wig, put my freaking headband like this, make me look a little bit presentable because, you know, it's cold as shit today. Hey, so yesterday I went to the dollar store and I got mad cleaning stuff. Let me tell y'all, when you move in, you need to be shopping on a budget. But I went to the dollar store and I got like Fabuloso, like, you know, good name brand cleaning stuff for my house, because when I go get my key, I'm gonna stay at the apartment and like kind of clean up before the guys come move the stuff. So yeah, I'm about to go to the bank right now, and then I'm gonna go to get a money order, then I'm gonna go to my office. So I'll call y'all. Well, I'm gonna call y'all. I'll see y'all when I'm on the way to my office. Hey guys, so I'm in my apartment. I'm bringing my mama with me. Say hey to my vlog, mom.
Hey, vlog.
She always saying vlog. Tell her to say vlog.
Vlog?
Yes.
Oh, hey, vlog. It sounds
So,
weird.
Kiara not with me. Y'all know she was in the beginning because she at home, but we gonna go back and get her. But I want to give out empty apartment tour, but I think I want that to be another. Oh, my friend said they're gonna give me a housewarming gift. My friend from DTLR.
Yeah, I'm giving you a party.
So yeah. Oh, look what I got, Mom. My phone. Okay, I'm gonna give you an empty apartment tour. My mom gotta record though. So this is gonna be an empty apartment tour, I guess. I don't know. It might be 2 videos, it might not be, but okay, y'all. So my mom a rookie, so we're gonna try to do this as good as we can. So I think this is the alarm. Yeah, this is the alarm. We walk in. Mom, show them the alarm.
The alarm is being shown, honey.
This alarm we walk in. My mom's standing in front of the front door. This is a coat closet. It's the coat closet. We got little wood floors and stuff. This right here, well, it's a linen closet, I guess. Yeah, another closet. This is my room. This is my room. So this is my closet. We're gonna have to figure this out because we both got a lot of stuff, but
You got a closet in the den, you can use that too.
That's we got a lot of little plugs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plugs in here. We got a ceiling fan, the little lights. This is my bathroom. This is my bathroom. Got 2 sinks, the little toilet, that flush here. Bathtub, yeah, I need to clean this on bathtub myself, Mom.
Of course, when you get ready to get in it.
Yeah.
But that's like
Then I have storage space.
semi-clean, but we got a lot of work to do. And after that, we could come back and like do sterile cleaning.
Got a little window in my bathroom. Oh, I got the little blinds like I like this. Oh my God. Okay, so that's my bathroom. Oh, I gotta figure out how my bed gonna go in here. Then you come this way because it's a laundry room. Yeah, it's not that important. It's just nice size laundry room. then this is the dining room area. I'm gonna put my dining room table right under this light. Right under this light. We got a little closet. Snacks in the closet up in here. Snacks. Then this is my kitchen. We got nice 4 drawers right here. We got a little nice little. What's this counter? Got nice little cabinets there. We got a little microwave, a stove, we make some cookies, and all that. That's my stuff I put up there. We got a washer, not washer, sorry, dishwasher. And she said you flick one of them up here. I got to figure out which one she said. Either or, and you turn it on. When you use it, you turn it off if you're not using it. Got some more cabinets right here, got a sink, got a little refrigerator. We got a little ice maker up here. That's the kitchen. And this is the living room. It is cozy in here. Every time you come here, it's like, we got a fireplace. Our TV gonna go up here. I'm guessing we could keep it on the stand.
It is there. Yeah, that's why it's there. There's no need to put it on the wall because it really can't go on the wall. That's a corner.
That's what she said. She said a triangle.
It's perfect.
And Ashley's is regular. Like it's no triangle. Theirs is flat wall.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, okay.
And we need to measure that and see if a 65 can go up there.
Right.
I think so.
Yeah, sure.
Can't get nothing bigger. Can't get an 85 like mommy.
No, I'm not getting
Sorry.
it. I'm about to blind myself anyway. My little couch.
Yeah, your living room
so
not
nice.
big enough. Right.
Okay, so this is the guest bathroom. Where's the lights in here? This is the guest bathroom. I like these cabinets right here. Don't you, Mom?
Yes, nice linen can go in there. Towels.
Some more cabinets.
Rags.
How are these, Mom? No, right?
I'm not sure.
I like that. Little sink, same thing, solid shower. Then you come in from the guest room to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. And the closet is the same thing as mine. Then when you come out of here, we're going to my YouTube/hair room. You gotta save all the energy, so I'm turning off every light. Then it's my hair room/YouTube room. I'm gonna do this real nice. I'm gonna bring my heater from home to have it here because it's even though I think heat could be.
Yeah, with this door open.
Yeah. And I have my own closet.
Oh, it's a vent up there. It's probably
that's what it is.
closed.
I was looking for it on the floor. It's up there. I got my own closet, so my suitcases and all that stuff gonna go in
This
here.
is nice and spacious.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put my my shoe boxes in here too. But then yeah, I know. I think. Okay, so yep. That is my apartment, guys. When it's all furnished and stuff, I'm gonna do another video. Furnished apartment tour, but this is my empty apartment tour. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put my shower curtain up, and this is the kind of shower curtain I got. My mom is doing the guest bathroom right now. She putting them shower curtains up. Put my shower curtain up, and I should have bought the plastic thing. I'm gonna have to go back and get one. The little plastic thing that go in front of the shower curtain. I'm gonna have to go back and get one, but this will do for right now. My mom is about to go get the moving truck, so I'm gonna be here by myself. I'm gonna be in my apartment by myself, y'all. I guess this is, I'm gonna have to get used to it anyway, so. The leasing office is so nice, y'all, but I was mad that the girl who gave me my apartment, she wasn't here. Like, who did the tour with me. She didn't work today. So I didn't get to see her, but it's okay because I live here now and I can go over there whenever I feel like it, I guess. But she really nice. And she's only 26 years old. She's only 26. So we're gonna put these little beads on. Okay, so my shower curtain is up, y'all. So I got this color toilet seat to go with this. And then the rug is like that color. So the rug and the toilet seat is not the same color. But that's fine. And I like how my room is like the front. So I can see like when my car is parked and stuff. Oh, I thought my lights was on to my car, but that's somebody else's car. This right here should go right here. The short one should go by the bathroom.
Well, I usually put my short one by the
here,
but you need the short one by your bathroom. You don't got that much space.
Yeah.
How do you open your drain and hang your
My curtain up?
yeah, just
I bit that thing open. Okay, so let me show you right here. I really wish we had a longer one, but I might invest in getting a longer one. But for right now, that'll do. And then I put the short one right there. And then if you see what I was trying to do, this color matches the toilet seat, and then this color matches there. So yeah, this bathroom is done. Then my bed cover, my cover to my bed is almost the same color as my bathroom. It's this color, so that is for my bed. And then I had, hold up, where did I put them at? I have hold up, cause I got. Oh yeah, I know, I see that now. So I got this color bag to go up here, that like that. But you know, once you have it up here for a while, it'll I think I want them together. The colors will like, I mean, the wrinkles will fall out. So whatever, I don't know. I'm gonna fix this one. It's irking me a little bit. Okay, so I'm not showing you guys anything else. I'm gonna show y'all the guest bathroom when that comes together, but everything else is gonna be in the empty house tour. I mean, in the furnished house tour. I need to buy a broom because I really do need to sweep in here. And throw all this trash in the garbage. And now I'm just waiting for the moving truck to get here. I mean, not the moving truck. My mom had to go pick up the moving truck, but I'm waiting for the furniture people to get here to deliver my bed and my couch.
And yeah, so I'll be back when they get here. I'll have to just chill out and do nothing because there's no TV or anything here yet. So yeah, I'll see you guys on. So this is a guest bathroom. Shower with the shower curtain up, the rugs. My mom fixing the towels. They still ain't here, but we still waiting. It is cold by this front door, and I'm just tripping over stuff. Okay, guys, so my friends are here, my bestie, and so beautiful. So y'all want to see my freezer? This is embarrassing. I'm not even sure. It is too small, and we got too much stuff, but whatever. Good morning, guys. I forgot to close out the vlog. I did not do anything after that, but chill with my friends. My family came over for a little bit, and I made chicken and fries, and I just woke up, so do not mind my little ashy face. I'm sick, y'all. I'm sick. Like, oh, child. I got some little bow braids under this bonnet, but I'm sick, and I think I'm sick from holding the door open for the moving the truck. The people that brought my bed and my couch, and I had no socks on, and it was cold outside. It was snowing, everything. I had no socks on, standing at the door, holding the door open. So I'm sick. I'm waiting for my medicine, but yeah, I just wanted to close this vlog out, and I think I'm going to continue the vlog today, so stay tuned. A British house tour is going to be coming sooner than I thought because everything just came together so fast. This was my first night in here, and I thank everybody for the help and all of this because this is good to be the first day of me living here and have all this stuff in my house already. So I thank everybody, and I barely could talk, y'all, because I cannot freaking breathe. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm trying to get a little better. I just want some tea, some medicine, some Mucinex, because that's all I feel is mucus right now, which I hate. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah. And with my sick kisses, but